Hello guys, my name is Maciej Czerwiński and I'm really happy to invite you to a 2-day course with the Success Stairs and the Success Smile. The course will gonna take place in Thailand on August 24th and 25th. The Success Stairs is the very structured 6 steps that will gonna lead you through the whole posterior restorative dentistry. We're gonna talk about the gingivectomy, we're gonna talk about how to use the Teflon tape to improve your isolation. Also, we're gonna talk about the safe preparation with MAC that completely changed my approach to deep caries. How to prepare it in a very safe and stress-free way. The matrix selection system is the part where we're gonna focus mainly on the matrix choice, the proper matrix, how to adapt it well using the unique Teflon floss wedges made of Teflon that will really help you with your all daily problems with the matrix adaptation. We'll also talk about the finishing protocols, about how to build a beautiful anatomy without the need of the huge bite adjustments. Second day is the Success Smile concept. This is the very first time where I will gonna present the very predictable protocol, how to reconstruct our patient with the beautiful direct veneers. I will gonna show you the new unique matrices that will gonna help you to build the whole structure of the direct veneer. We're gonna talk about the cutback, about how to paint the composite to get a very natural look, almost exactly the same like the natural teeth. So that will be a very intensive 2 days, and I'm absolutely sure that you're gonna get a lot of useful information and the skills that will really help you in your everyday dentistry. Hope to see you in Thailand. Bye.